Finally again on the road. Ole, finally your bike is ready?
Yeah.
Yeah?
New rally tower at home.
At home?
Yeah.
You install later, yes?
This will be a new one, yeah.
Okay. New day, sunshine day, and we go, Outduro members, ride some track, I think, yes?
I think so.
Muddy?
Muddy.
You know, you last
I've been
last year you ride this track.
Oh, it's 2 years ago.
2 years ago?
Yeah, 2 years ago me and Richard took this.
Richard's today is a track leader, and John Renars. Ciao Renard.
Oh.
Richard, say about today's track.
Will be a lot of shit.
A lot of shit, yes. Okay, I think I need to jump on the bike, yes, and start to ride. Okay, today is Husky 701. It's a Tenere. It's the most popular bike in Latvia right now. Honda CRF 250, yes, 250. Rally, yes, Rally. Remember Rally. And this is, I think, God of bike, yes. God of bike, yes. My bike KTM 990. Okay, today for me it's a hard ride because new suspension, higher, 265 millimeters, and I can't touch the ground with my
tiptoes.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Yeah.
Brand new. Yeah, brand new.
Brand new scratch, but this is normal. Okay, we are ready to ride. Let's go. Richard say little bit warm up and we go inside in the trail. This is an old road, very long time this road not used, and you see what's here are swampy. Yeah, but heavy bike because with luggage is very heavy. Why the right side, right?
Reku te, kaut kāds jātur saknes normāli stingri, tā kā.
Turies pa labo malu. Pa labo mali. Woo! Ole. Okay, let's go.
At least we see everything, Ole, has good light.
No.
I'm not allowed to touch it. Some not fancy stuff, but something for lifting. Roliss is strong, yeah?
Yeah.
You know, I can do something myself too.
No, it's not even.
Go! Wherever the trees are.
What do you think about it?
I hate this.
He's from Latvian Translate. Go fuck. ride.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, why not? Last year I ride here and the road is changing this year and looks different. But it's the same trail in the beginner ride.
It just looks completely different. Yeah.
Okay. Your luggage good? Okay. 4 kilometers we ride. We ride 35 kilometers. Okay, good. That's the luggage. Hey, you try my bike, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Be careful, this is a beast. Okay, Renard, try my bike. First impression and ask after what he feeling. Woo! This is a Tenere! Always when we ride with bikes or with family or friends, we ride and need geocaching. We with Richard play geocaching. Maybe found snake, yes? Oh, we found a geocaching. Very good. Found it.
Great success.
Oh. I hope there is a road. I think Richard's go looking what's happened with this road.
What?
Richard's going search what's happened with this road. What we do? It's a problem. I try first ride with my tank. I tried to first, yes, with my tank. Road we found, but tree is fall across. Too many trees, and it's not possible to with bikes to across this section. We turn around, go back to the road, and found another route, another section. Maybe we want to go back into the trail, but the beast. What's happened? What's fucking here? Okay, let's go. Okay. Thanks. Hop. It's good. Need help? So hot. I'm all wet. This is interesting. This is interesting.
It's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation. I don't know how to stop. I just go till I drop. Whether it's working or shots, give it all that I got. You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. Wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent. Cause I don't forget shit like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly. Never caught off guard, no, I'm always ready. I got a hand real steady. Look me in the eye and you'll see no hezzy. About to get real messy. I'll put you in a grave 6 feet like Kenny.
Sit down.
My foot twisted under.
Okay, sit down. Sit a little bit, relax.
Ow!
How?
Ja.
Just slide?
I lost front.
Ah, just slide.
Yeah. It came like this, bike, then like this.
Ah, okay,
But it's okay. Not broken. Just a little painful.
okay. Let's go, guys. I think we need fuel. You don't need?
No, but I will fill, but I don't.
Yeah, why not? Yes, 95 kilometers from home, and 65 this track. Okay.
Are you measuring kilometers?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I need measuring.
You know, modern people, we have this. You see? Oh, from empty
But
to full.
I don't have. My bike don't have it. Okay, break. We visit a local shop, Dixie. Let's go inside. Let's see what we take for lunch. Okay, we need to take a Pepsi, sugar. We need to take sugar a little bit. I take Pepsi, chicken, and fish, salmon fish for lunch. Excellent place for lunch. Wow.